So we just plug it into our power bank like so. Hey everybody, Abner's Reviews here, and we have a DIY project for you today. And today we would be creating a DIY fill-in camera light for our video. So here we go guys, here's what we need. So this is a sorter box which normally comes with our Funko Pops right here. This one is an Elmer's glue right here, or any white glue that you have. This is a USB DC 5 volts power cord boost right here. It connects to a USB power source and comes out on the other end with the DC power right there. So this is a 5-meter 3528 LED strip right here, but you can purchase any size you want. This is a 5 meters. There's also 1 meter, 2 meters, or 3 meters available. Perfect. So it depends on which box you would be using. And we have a normal screwdriver right here. I will leave all the links to these on the video description, so you would have a reference where you can find these online. So step 1, this is our Funko Pop sorter box right here. So this one collapses entirely like that. So these parts are the ones which we would be populating with our LED strip right there. So our first step would be to glue these together so that it will no longer collapse on us like that, and it would retain this box form right here. So while we're waiting for our glue to dry, we will be checking our LED lights right here. So it comes with this plug right here, and it comes with loose cords right here, negative and positive right there, and of course it corresponds to our plug right here. So red on the positive and the black one would be for the negative port right there. So this part right here on our plug will be plugged into our DC converter right here. This is a male plug right here, and this one's a female, so it should be properly connected like so. Perfect. Let's connect our wires to our plug first. So we have connected our wires to our DC plug right here. So positive on the positive wire, red wire right here, and the negative on the negative port right there. So you just gotta have to tighten up that screw in there. So now we can test the LED strip right here if it's working. We just need our DC converter to USB right here, and we plug in the DC plug, this male plug, to the female right here. So we just plug it into our power bank like so.
Wow!
So there we go. Our LED strip is working. So our LED strips right here have ready stickers on the back side of the strip. You just need to peel them off right there so that we can stick it inside our sorter box right there and spread it evenly inside the box. So now that our box is all dried up, and we have also tested that our LED strip is working, We can now proceed with putting our LED strip inside our sorter box. So as you can see here, we have completed putting in all our 5-meter LED strip inside our sorter box right there. And we have managed to put the plug outside the box right here on this side. So as you can see, we have tried our best to lay it on there inside the box. Of course, that's not really that linear, but at least all 5 meters have been laid out inside the box. The double-sided tape on the LED strip is not that sticky, but still the form is achieved right here. That's all we wanted to do. We wanted to put the 5-meter LED strip inside the box so they would work collectively for the purpose of making our fill-in light. So now let us see how we have done. I've connected the plug to our DC converter right there, and now let's see if we have succeeded on our goal. I'm just going to turn down my lights. The only light we would see is what's coming from our DIY fill-in light right here. Ready? Plugging it in. Nice. Here you go, guys. So I think the objective of our DIY project today is achieved. This is really bright. I'm not sure if it's coming through our camera, how bright this is, but I'll demonstrate it in a second. For our A/B testing right here, we'll be using my fill-in lights, and we will be adding DIY project for our fill-in light, which we have created earlier. That is our McDonald's Happy Meal Starscream figure right there. So this is if I'm using just my overhead lights. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on my fill-in lights from the sides right here, so you'll see the effect of my actual fill-in lights. So there you go. So now I'm going to plug in our DIY project and see what effect does it have on our subject right there. Ready? And there we go. So you see, our DIY fill-in light right here achieved its goal. This is without our fill-in light. And this is with our fill-in light. So there you go, guys. I hope you liked our content for today. And for all the materials which we have used for this DIY project, I will leave links for them on our video description. So there you go, guys. Please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. Please consider subscribing if you haven't done so already to Abner's Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all, so you'll get notified when we upload another one of our videos. Also follow us on our social media links right here. That's been it. This is Abner's Reviews, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.